This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
I would say fear and confidence. Fear, confidence, and really, since you haven't been exposed, you don't know better, so you can't do better. The fear, I say fear because when you're so used to things being a certain way, you get in the habit of things, of a real safe environment for you, an environment that doesn't challenge you, and it becomes an okay thing for you to just go through this redundant, very safe lifestyle. And when you're trying to reach these goals, big goals for yourself, you have to challenge and go into the unknown constantly. And you're going to fall on your face. You're going to fail. And that fear of failure, of not being able to come back or challenging yourself or seeing something that you haven't seen before, it stops people dead in their tracks. And then that confidence to overcome that fear isn't there, because a lot of times people just really haven't tried. They haven't tried to push themselves enough, or failed enough to understand what failure is in the first place. They haven't tried. So if you haven't gone through series of failures when trying to innovate or do something different, you're not going to have the confidence to want to step out there. And the fear, confidence, and then not knowing any better, if you're not exposing yourself to different ways of thinking, different people who, exposing yourself to successful people and successful individuals, people who have actually overcome what you want to overcome, and you don't implement some of the things that they do, you're going to still be in the same spot that you were in, because it's a mentality. At the end of the day, just like we were talking earlier about, I 100 million% believe that the reason why certain people make it out of the hood and certain people don't is mentality. They were driven to get out of that. Sometimes, you don't have a resource or two, and that stops people in their tracks too. But I feel more times than not, what it is it's the mentality.